So, what's this game you were talking about?
Oh, the Owl House. Well, it's a game, where you play make-believe. There's a hero and a villain.
A hero? Count me in! Watching team silly rhymes, how I had to spend my time trapped under remains for crimes that only fade. But now you're here, we've got all day to sing and dance and go and play. A new friend I have found will make the world our playground. Oh my, it's such a relief. That praising gave me so much grief. No time to mope or to grieve. Let's play a game of make-believe. Broken chains, magic dreams. Come on, kid, you wanna see this new world we have found? We need the world our playground. Fairy tales and horrid scares, nothing that the world can spare. This game is what I need, back and ready to believe.
Having fun? That is great. Maybe we could take a break. All this play has got me beat. I bet our friends could use some sleep.
Don't worry, King, these guys can take it. In the shell they're hibernating. But sure, let's take a breather. Hope you're a good story reader.
A child of the stars. All he wanted was some fun. To feel the joy that life had brought. To see how time could bend and caught. But when the others gave him jeers, playthings no longer quelled his peers. He had a choice with many factors. Believe the mortals or end the...
Wait, skip that part. Please.
Okay. He changed the rules to a more fair game. Now everyone can get along and play. It's better now with his new friend. He'll never be alone again.
Great, cool story. Let's get back to playing.
Wow!
Broken chains, magic dreams. Come on, King, you wanna see this new world we have found? We made the world our playground. Fairy tales and horrid scares, nothing that the world can spare. This game is what I need, back and ready to believe.
We have critique for you. Come back. What do you can't just run away from us. You're here forever. Come back. I'm not the one talking though.
No, you're supposed to like go on stage. Like in the middle. Oh, okay. Okay, so Blizzard Fern, I can tell you've been practicing a lot on this routine. I love how you incorporated a prop. It's amazing. You did really awesome hands. Just overall good execution. Maybe like while you're on the floor, like while you're like reading the book, maybe add in a little bit of pizzazz. But otherwise, execution was great. I can tell you practiced a lot. You did an amazing job.
Yeah, now you're free.